Good morning, students. In today's class, it is chapter 4, Tick, Tick, Tick. In last class, we learned about how long it will take to move from one number to another number. 1 minute hand is there, and how long it will take to move from one place to another place. Now, in today's class, it is about our time. See, it is time 24-hour clocks. तो बच्चों, आपने इससे पहले जो टाइम पढ़ा था, ये टाइम कहां से कहां तक पढ़ा था हमने? इट वॉज ओनली अबाउट 12-hour clock, like this clock. Okay, see, 12-hour clock, 12, after 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, again and 12. So it is 12-hour clock. So in this type of the clock, we can see the time up to only 12 hours. But do you think, is there any more time, more than 12 hours? Is there any meaning of, is there any more time, more than 12 hours? क्या 12 hours से भी कुछ और बड़ा टाइम होता है क्या? Yes. In the beginning of this chapter, we discussed that there are 24 hours in a day. आपने क्या पढ़ा था बेटा? हमने उसमें पढ़ा था कि there are 24 hours in a day. It means there are 24 hours in a day. So this 24 hours, how to show this 24 hours? How to read these 24 hours? So see, generally there are two types of the clock. Generally we use this clock. हम अपने यहाँ पर ये clock use करते हैं. This is up to 12-hour clock. It is the clock of 12 hours. But one more different type of the clock is here. See, this type of the big clock, it is beta 24-hour clock. It is 24-hour clock. How many hours are there? 24 hours. Now see how to read this 24-hour and how to show this 24-hour in clock. बच्चों, हम जब सो जाते हैं रात में, जब 12 बज जाते हैं रात के, that is your midnight time. It is your, देखिए, midnight time. So this time we can show like this. See, it is midnight time. So it is 0 hours 0 minutes. 0 hours 0 minutes. So it can be shown like that. 0 hours. 0 hours. So 0 minutes, 0 hours and 0 minutes. So it is your midnight time. What is this? It is midnight time. Now, see, in this 24 clock, it is midnight time. After that, ये जो आपका midnight time है, it will like that 0 hours 0 minute, 0 hours 0 minute. Then after that 0 hours 1 minute. Then 0 hours 2 minutes, 0 hours 3 minutes, like that. And when it complete 0 hours 60 minutes, it means it complete, then 1 hour, so it will be 1 and here will be 0. It will be 0 minutes. 1 hour 0 minutes. So after midnight, it is at midnight it is 0 hour 0 minutes. After midnight 0 hours 1 minute, 0 hours 2 minutes, 0 hours 3 minutes, like that, up to 60. Up to 60, 0 hours 60 minutes. And then this 60 minutes means when it completes 60 minutes, it becomes 1 hour. So it will be 0, it will be increased to 1. So it will be 1 hour and again it will be 0. So this is 0 hours at midnight. Then again it will be after 60 minutes, it will be 1 o'clock. Then it will be 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and it is 6 o'clock. So see, it is midnight, night 1, night 2, night 3, night 4, night 5, and early, this is morning 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and it is 12. Means afternoon. It is 12 afternoon. अभी जो 12 बजेंगे, it is 12 hour, means afternoon time. Now after that, उसके बाद क्या होता है बेटा? 1 होता है ना? After afternoon 1, So that will be indicate by that will be 13. जब 2 हो जाते हैं it will be 14. जब 3 होते हैं आफ्टरनून it will be 15. Then जब 4 होता है it will be 16. जब 5 होता है it will be 17. जब 6 होता है it will be 18. It will be 18. Now जब ये 7 हो जाता है 19. जब 8 होता है 20. जब 9 होता है 21. जब 10 होता है 22. जब 11 होता है 23. एंड अगेन जब 20 रात के जब 12 बज जाते हैं, नाइट के 12 o'clock जब होते हैं, अगेन इट विल बी 24 आवर कंप्लीट मीन 00 आवर्स. 00 आवर्स. सो इट इज 24 hour clock. It is 24 hour clock. Now see how to show this time in your 24 hour clock. The time which is shown in the 12 hour clock, see time by your clock it is 12 hours. हमारे पास जो क्लॉक है that is generally the clock of 12 hours. Now time by 24 hour. How to show this time? The time of 12 hour clock in 24 hour clock. 24 hour clock में वो टाइम कैसे शो करना है? देखिए, it is 1 o'clock afternoon. It is 1 o'clock afternoon. तो see, बेटा ये आपका 1 o'clock की आफ्टरनून है. आफ्टरनून कब आता है बेटा? आफ्टर 12. जब आपका आफ्टरनून कब आता है? आफ्टर 12 आता है ना. So where are you? How you will show this time in 24 clock? See, midnight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hour morning. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is afternoon. But after afternoon, see it is 1. After afternoon, see it is 1. This 1 means afternoon 1. It will be 13 hour in our 12 hour, 24 hour clock. So it will be, ये जो आपका 12 hours है, आफ्टरनून है. आफ्टरनून के बाद ये जो आपका 1 o'clock है, आफ्टरनून 1 o'clock. This time will be 13 hours in our 24 hour clock. So how to show here? See, it is 1 o'clock in afternoon, so it will be 13 hours in your 24 hour clock. Now 2 o'clock in afternoon. अब देखिए दोपहर के 2 o'clock है बेटा. Now see, it is 2 o'clock in your 12 hour clock. Now it is 2 o'clock afternoon 2 o'clock. So again, how to show this time in your 24 clock? See, it is midnight 00 hours. Then after 1 o'clock night, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock morning. 7, 8, 9, 10. Then again 11, 12. Afternoon. Afternoon के बाद this is afternoon 1. This is what? Afternoon 2. This is afternoon 2. And this afternoon 2 is here 24. See, after 12, 13 and 14. तो afternoon 2 जो है, afternoon के 2 in your 24 clock, it will be 14 hours. It will be 14 hours. Afternoon 2 o'clock, it will be 14 hours in 12 hour, 24 hour clock. Now see, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. अब आफ्टरनून के 3 o'clock जो होते हैं, how you will show that time in your again 24 hour clock? See, it is 3 o'clock in your 12 hour clock. Now 3 o'clock, it is afternoon 3 o'clock. समझिए कि आपके दोपहर के 3 बजे है. Again see how to show this time in your 24 hour clock. So see, it is 00 mean midnight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 o'clock morning. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is afternoon. और now afternoon के बाद 3 o'clock. Afternoon, it is 1. It is 2 o'clock. Now it is 3 o'clock. Afternoon 3 o'clock. Now see, this afternoon 3 o'clock time is shown by here what? 15 hours. So this time will be only 15 hours. It will be 15 hours 00 minutes in your 24 hour clock. Now next, 6 o'clock in morning. अब हमें यहाँ पर मॉर्निंग के 6 o'clock शो करने हैं बेटा. सी दिस इज योर 12 hour clock. इट इज 6 o'clock इन मॉर्निंग. ये आपके मॉर्निंग के 6 o'clock है. अब देखिए हाउ टू शो दिस टाइम इन योर 24 hour clock. So it is midnight, means 12 0 hours 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is your 6 o'clock in your 24 hour clock. 6 o'clock. But now see, जब हम आफ्टरनून का टाइम लिख रहे थे, it was changed. 1 was changed into 13. Afternoon time 1 was changed into 13. 2 o'clock was changed into 14. 3 o'clock was changed into 15. बट ये जो मॉर्निंग टाइम है, मॉर्निंग कब आता है बेटा? मॉर्निंग इज कम बिफोर आफ्टरनून. बिफोर आफ्टरनून, आफ्टरनून के पहले आता है. ये जो आपका 12 o'clock आफ्टरनून है ना, इसके देखिए पहले आती है मॉर्निंग. तो मॉर्निंग का जो 6 o'clock है, दैट विल बी रिमेन ओनली 6 इन योर 24 hour clock. आपका ये भी जो मॉर्निंग टाइम है 6 o'clock, इट विल बी रिमेन सेम on 6 hours like this. It will not change. It will 6 o'clock, 6 hours. Means after midnight, after 0 hours, it has been passed up to 6 hours. ये 6 रात के जो 12 बजे थे, मीन्स आपका जो 0 hours था, उसके बाद वो 6 hour पास हुआ है. So it is 6 o'clock in morning. 6 o'clock in the morning. Same it will be 6 hours in your 24 hour clock. Why? मैंने आपको पहले ही कहा था कि देखिए ये दिस मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock इज टाइम बिफोर 12 o'clock, आफ्टरनून 12 o'clock. दोपहर के जो 12 बजते हैं, जब दोपहर होता है, आफ्टरनून होता है, तो आफ्टरनून के पहले का टाइम है, दैट विल बी रिमेन सेम इन योर 24 hour clock also. नाउ सी 8 o'clock इन इवनिंग. ऐसे इसे नाइट बोलते हैं. 8 o'clock इन नाइट, नाइट. ये नाइट कब होता है बच्चों? जब आपका सूरज ढल जाता है, सनसेट होता है, अंधेरा होता है, तब आपका नाइट टाइम शुरू हो जाता है. अब 8 o'clock इन नाइट, तो रात के 8 बजे, रात के 8 बजे. देखिए सी इट इज यूर नाउ नाइट 8 o'clock. नाइट 8 o'clock. नाउ हाउ टू शो दिस टाइम इन यूर 24 hour clock. तो बच्चों मैंने आपको पहले ही कहा था, इस नाइट है, नाइट कब? आफ्टरनून इवनिंग होता है, और इवनिंग के बाद अगेन नाइट शुरू हो जाता है. तो सी ये जो आपका मिडनाइट से लेकर तक ये आफ्टरनून तक 12 हो जाएंगे. उसके बाद 1 मीन्स 13, 1 o'clock मीन्स 13, 2 o'clock मीन्स 14, 3 o'clock मीन्स 15, 4 o'clock मीन्स 16, then 5 o'clock means 17, 6 o'clock means 18, 7 o'clock means 19, and then it is 8 o'clock means 20. It will be 20. So see, it is 20. It will be 8 o'clock in the night. It will be 20 hours. It will be 20 hours in your 24 hour clock. Now 3 o'clock in morning. अब देखिए हमने पहले यह लिखा था बेटा, देखिए 3 o'clock in afternoon, it is 15 hours. Now 3 o'clock in morning. अब देखिए 3 o'clock जो मॉर्निंग की है वो कैसे शो करना है. See it is 3 o'clock. Suppose it is 3 o'clock in morning. अब यह मॉर्निंग के 3 o'clock है. Then how to show this time? See it is midnight 00 hours. After that 1 hours, then it is 2 hours, and it is 3 hours. So it is like this. ये आपका इस तरह का होगा बेटा. अब मॉर्निंग मीन्स क्या है बेटा? ये आफ्टर मिडनाइट है, so it is early morning. So we can say it is morning only. 3 o'clock in the morning. Now this time will be remain same here, 3 hours only. तो देखिए मैंने आपको पहले ही कहा था कि आफ्टरनून का पहले का जो टाइम है, मिडनाइट से लेकर आफ्टरनून तक का जो टाइमिंग है, इट विल बी रिमेन सेम इन 24 hour clock. बट आफ्टर 12 hours, आफ्टरनून के जो 12 hours है, उसके बाद जो टाइमिंग आता है, दैट विल बी ओनली चेंज. सो सी It is morning 6 o'clock in our 24-hour clock, also 6 hours. It is 3 o'clock early morning. It is also 3 hours. It does not change in 24-hour clock. Now 7:30 o'clock in evening. तो बच्चों अभी मैंने आपको पहले कहा था इवनिंग कब होता है, आफ्टरनून के बाद इवनिंग होता है. तो डज इट विल चेंज और नॉट? इट्स कम आफ्टर आफ्टरनून. ये जो टाइमिंग है ये आपका आफ्टरनून के बाद आता है ना, है कि नहीं? आफ्टरनून के बाद आता है. तो हम इसको देखिए नाइट टाइम लिख सकते हैं 7 o'clock. इसे आफ्टरनून बोल सकते हैं. ये देखिए आपका इवनिंग टाइम है सपोजिंग. It is evening. So what will be this time now? It will be after 12 o'clock. So see, this is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. उसके बाद 1 means 30, 2 means 40, 3 means 50, 4 means 16, 5 means it is 17, 6 means 18, and 7 means 19. So your time will be in 24-hour clock. It will be 30 hours. It will be 30 hours. Yes, it will be 30 hours. So 7:30 o'clock in the evening, it will be 30 hours. Next, now 12:30 in afternoon. अब देखिए 12:30 in afternoon. It is your, say this is 12:30 in afternoon. अब देखिए it is midnight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 12 afternoon. After that it will be 1, but it is not 1 o'clock. It is in between these two, so it will be only remain 12 and 30 minutes. So see 12:30. Now it will be 12 hours 30 minutes. Mean 12:30 hours. 12:30 hours. तो देखिए बच्चों, जब आफ्टरनून का जो 1 o'clock होता है वहां से आपके 24 आवर में चेंज होता है. उससे पहले तक मिडनाइट से लेकर तक वहां तक आपका बिफोर 1 o'clock तक टाइम विल बी रिमेन सेम इन बोथ टाइप ऑफ द क्लॉक. नाउ 2 hours 45 in the afternoon. अगेन सी, आपने यहां देखा था अभी, देखिए दिस इज 12 hours. After 1 means 13, 2 means 14. So here it will be, again it will be 14 hours, 45 hours. Okay. So this is about today's class only. तो बच्चों इस क्लास में जो आपने जो अभी how to show the time in 24 hours and 12 hour clock, today we discuss this part only. So remaining part we will discuss in next class. So it is today's work. So please, whenever I will send you this photo, please complete this work in your class work notebook. Okay. Thank you.